Hey guys, this is Tim. I received another retractable hose reel from Giraffe Tools, another updated product. It is model number WGA13012US. This has a half-inch hose that is 130 feet in length. So this would be perfect for taking care of most distances around your house or yard. Similar to the other products, you do have the handle here on the top for carrying. It will rotate the base 360 degrees. You have these 4 lawn stakes that can be placed in the yard somewhere, and the base secured to the ground using these ground stakes. Or they do have some lag screws uh, for securing to concrete or to decks. You have the retractable hose with the automatic stop that can be adjusted by loosening this screw, and you can adjust this forward or back depending on how desired. You have the feeder hose that connects to the water faucet, then the inlet of the water hose reel, retractable reel. You do have the view window here. If you need to look at the mechanism for any particular reason, then you can open up that view window. Then it just snaps back into place. You have a sprayer holder that you just pop in here to the side. So let's get the feeder hose connected and give it a try. And Giraffe makes an excellent spray nozzle. You can turn it off and on using this lever here. You have 9 different spray patterns. We'll go over those a little bit later. Okay, we'll connect the feeder hose to the inside connector here on the retractable hose reel. Make sure it's screwed on tightly. Then the other side goes to the outside faucet. Okay, we got everything connected. I did not stake it in the yard as of now, but again, you could stake this into the yard or your wooden deck or concrete. So you can kind of see the distance. I've only pulled out about 30 foot of the hose. There's 130 feet on this particular retractable hose reel. As I stated earlier, it does come with Giraffe Tools spray nozzle. Has 9 different spray patterns. This is rinse, a cone, that is soaker, flat, mist, center, angle, vertical, and shower. So you can control the amount of water that comes out with this lever here. All the way down is off, and then anywhere in between to its maximum setting. So to retract, you just want to pull on the hose just a little bit, and then you want to walk it in. Then when you're finished, just turn off the water. Best to disconnect your hose. Drain the water out of your hose. Keep in mind you have 130 feet of water in the hose. And on the side here, you have the holder for the spray nozzle. So this is a great retractable hose reel, 130 feet length of hose, 1/2 inch diameter, place to store your spigot, access door, window, carrying handle, and the unit will swivel 180 degrees. So I highly recommend this retractable water hose reel by Giraffe Tools.